In this video, you'll learn how to allocate the purchased bulk ticket. Let's go! First, you need to visit the website. Type goglobal.network in your browser. Then, once you're on the login page, enter your login details. Choose your language, click Login, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, find the Events option in the menu. If you're on your laptop, then it's on the left-hand side of the screen. But if you're on your smartphone, you can find the menu at the top left of your screen. When you click on the Event option, 4 other options will appear: Buy Tickets, Allocate Tickets, My Tickets, and Transactions. Choose the Allocate Tickets option. Then you will see Social Event Allocate Ticket page. Social Event shows the event which tickets you're about to allocate. You can select which event you wish the ticket to allocate. The number of tickets to allocate will show how many tickets you possess. Destination username is where you'll search for the username you wish to allocate your ticket to. And selected user list shows the names you're about to allocate your tickets. Start by making sure that the event shows correctly. Then search the username of the person you wish to add to the selected user list. Enter their username and click the search button. If you enter the correct username, their information will show up, including their username, country, and rank. Once you're certain that the information is correct, click the Select button. Their name will be added to the selected user list column. You can enter multiple names based on the tickets you own. For example, if you have 25 tickets you want to allocate, then you can add up to 25 usernames. And once all the names are added, click the Allocate button at the bottom. Please note that once the ticket is allocated to the username, you cannot revert the process. So make sure that you have the correct username in your list. A message will pop up on your screen informing you about the same. Once you're certain that everything is correct, click on the Allocate button in the pop-up message. Congratulations! You've successfully allocated the tickets to your members. If you want to review the allocations you've just made, you can select Transactions. It will take you to a new page where you can see all the transactions you've just made, including the ticket you just allocated. You'll also have the option to download the transaction to an Excel file. And you can do this simply by clicking the Microsoft Excel download button at the bottom. Or if you want to check the tickets you own, you can view them from My Ticket page under the Events option on your dashboard. On that page, you can see information such as event name, event location, event start date, event end date, event price, purchase date, purchased by, and the option to view download ticket. Now that you've learned how to allocate the event ticket, don't wait. Invite your friends and team to the upcoming event and secure their ticket. Also available on go.app. You can download it from the app and Google Play Store. Simply click the button or scan the QR code. For more information, follow us on social media.